Hey there, welcome back. Imagine designing an entire building, inside and out, without jumping between multiple software. From precise floor plans to breathtaking 3D interiors, and even fully detailed architectural exteriors, what if one tool could handle it all? That's exactly what Neo does. No steep learning curves, no endless rendering wait times, just seamless designing from concept to completion. Think about it. Architectural design isn't just about blueprints. It's about creating functional, visually compelling spaces that work in the real world. Whether it's a cozy home, a modern office, or a commercial skyscraper, every great project starts with a solid plan. And with Neo, you don't need to be an expert in CAD or complex modeling to make it happen. Precision planning without the headache. Forget struggling with complicated drafting tools. Neo's intuitive drag-and-drop floor planner lets you create precise layouts in minutes. Add walls, windows, doors, and even custom partitions effortlessly. Need to tweak dimensions? No problem. Adjusting your design is as easy as clicking and dragging. And here's where it gets even better. Neo supports multi-story buildings, so whether you're designing a single-family home or a multi-floor structure, the entire blueprint comes together seamlessly. Take your design beyond interiors. Exterior perfection awaits. Why stop at interiors when you can create stunning architectural exteriors too? With Neo, you can design facades, patios, balconies, and landscaping elements with a few clicks. Test out different building materials, from glass panels to rustic stone walls, and visualize how textures change with real-time lighting simulations. Want to see how natural light hits your building at different times of the day? Neo lets you do that instantly. And for those picture-perfect finishing touches, add trees, pathways, water features, and exterior lighting. All from Neo's extensive material and object library. Real-time 3D visualization. See before you build. Other architectural software makes you wait hours for renders, but Neo gives you instant photorealistic previews at every stage. No more guessing how materials, textures, or layouts will turn out. What you see is what you get. Walk through your project in high-quality 3D, explore different angles, and refine every detail before a single brick is laid. Massive built-in library. No more modeling from scratch. Neo takes the hassle out of sourcing materials. With thousands of pre-modeled objects, you can instantly furnish interiors, add construction details, and even test different roofing, wall cladding, and flooring materials. Need to visualize an ultra-modern glass facade or a classic brick townhouse exterior? Just swap textures with a click. And for interiors, Neo's library includes everything from furniture and decor to lighting fixtures, so you can style every corner of your project without switching to another platform. Instant blueprint to reality. AI-powered smart suggestions. Designing architecture isn't just about drawing walls. It's about making smart decisions. Neo's AI-powered smart suggestions take the guesswork out of designing by recommending the best layouts, materials, and lighting for your space. Need to optimize floor space or find the perfect exterior finish? Neo suggests the best options instantly, helping you make data-driven design choices with ease. No more trial and error. Just faster, smarter, and more efficient architectural design. Why use multiple software when one tool can do it all? With Neo, you don't need separate tools for floor planning, 3D visualization, rendering, and presentation. It's all in one place. Whether you're designing a residential home, a commercial space, or an entire building exterior, Neo streamlines the process so you can focus on creativity instead of technical struggles. So, if you could design your dream project right now, what would it be? Drop your ideas in the comments.